Let's make a sentence. Where is my mom? Where is, good job, my mom. Well done. Where is my mom? Yeah. This is a yellow rose. This is, good job, a yellow, well done, rose. This is a yellow rose. Good job. You did it. You did. Good job. It. Well done. You did it. You did it. You did it. I am a cook. I am, well done, a cook. Good job. I am a cook. I am a cook. I will go and check. I will, well done, go and, good job, check. I will go and check. I will go and check. You stay away from here. You stay away from, good job, here. Well done. You are doing great.